Hey Millionaire Minders, I'm back with another awesome video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how this internet entrepreneur Stephen James is making $8,000 a month with this strategy of typing and writing. I'm going to show you exactly how this works step by step. It's actually super easy to do, and I'm going to show you an awesome tool that you can use to reduce your effort and you don't even need to do the work yourself. And there are people, as I say, using the strategy making thousands of dollars on a monthly basis, but this method is going to require a bit of work up front and initially, and this won't happen automatically. So if you're willing to just put in a little bit of effort, I truly believe that you can make a lot of money online with this strategy. But without further ado, enjoy the video and let's get into the strategy. And what this strategy is, it's actually a platform that you can use to publish ebooks, and you can make a lot of money doing this on the Amazon Kindle app or store. Now, before you say that you do need to write books and be able to read and write before you can do this, and it is a lot of effort, I'm actually going to show you a tool that you can use to not do any of the work yourself. I'm going to show you how you can get the work done for you by professionals, which will make you seem very professional. It can make you a lot of money on the Amazon Kindle app store. So just stick with me as we break this down. And the best part about this, anybody can do this in the world, no matter what kind of level of skill you have. You can do this, whether you're a professional author or writer, or you've never written a book or a page in your life before. You can get started with this, and it's super easy to do, and it's also free to sign up on this website. And you can see that a ton of people are doing this. So if I come over to the Amazon Kindle store, you can see people selling a whole bunch of digital books that can be watched on those e-reader tabs, phones, laptops, any kind of platform, and you can download these Kindle books, which is really cool. I mean, you can see books are selling for anywhere between $1.99 and $4.99. And the best part about the strategy is that you can keep all the profits. All of this is yours, and you also don't need to do any of the work yourself, which I'm going to show you how you can do just in a bit. But you can see some more renowned or well-branded books with bigger brands, such as Stephen King, $14.99, $15.99. Also some more books down here, such as $1.99, $0.99, $1.99 as well. And you can see if I go through the book section here, there's a ton of books ranging between $3 and $18. So the profit you can make, and I mean, sales really go quickly on the Amazon Kindle store. So I'm just going to take the example of let's go make money online. Let's say this is a niche you want to do. And the best thing about this is you can do this with any niche, whether it's cooking, whether it's fitness, anything you can think of, pets, animals, food, relationship advice, whatever it may be. You can write about anything and sell on any topic and really make a good amount of money. And you can actually see here, here's a book that's actually going for free. You can see currently, well, it's not free, but currently it's at $0. But how this Kindle Unlimited, you can actually see right here, this book is actually going for $0 at the moment. But what people will actually do is they will sign up on the Amazon Kindle subscription, where they pay a monthly subscription, sort of like the Netflix for Amazon, and they actually pay like $1 a month or a couple amount of dollars, $10 a month, and they get a certain amount of books for free. So that's also a great way of earning a passive income, is by putting your books on the Kindle Unlimited, and you actually get people paying subscriptions and buying your books through their subscription rather than a once-off amount for your book. And I can tell you that a lot of these people aren't actually making these books themselves. They're getting people to do it for them, and they are benefiting from the leverage of experienced professionals. And all it takes, it's like a snowball effect, is 1 or 2 sales. And when your ebook is constructed really well made by these professionals, it's going to look really good. The text is really going to be good, and these people can review and rate your ebook. And the more ratings it gets, the higher it's going to rank on the Amazon Kindle store for a specific keyword. And then once you hit the top page, you're going to get a ton of sales, and you're going to make a lot of passive income on autopilot by just selling your books. And as I say, if you've got no clue what you're going to write about, if you've got no idea on any topics, any niches, or if you maybe even don't have any skills on how to write, as I say, I'm going to show you how you can do this. You don't even need to do all of this yourself. You're going to get a professional to do it for you that's going to come up with perfectly made Kindle books for you already made. And I'm going to show you a guy that is actually doing this exact same strategy and earning $8,000 a month on autopilot. And he goes by the name of Stephen James Palanoris, I think it is, and he basically makes these Kindle books, and you can see this is the kind of figures he is earning. $5,000, 524 euros, it's about $800, again $5,400, and he's actually selling a course on how you can do this, I think for at $97, and you can read a bit on the website. And he basically teaches you how to set this up on a complete all autopilot system, or it does require a little bit of work in the beginning, but it can become autopilot. I mean, you can see here, he says on his website, look, I'm not a PhD student. I got a C in language arts and English, so I left it to someone better than me to write all 100 plus of my books. As I say, you can just get people to do this for you, which I'm going to show you the platform and how you can find these people, and you're really good to go, and you can get very professional books. Now, I'm not actually promoting his course for him. I'm not earning There's no affiliate link. I'm not earning anything by promoting this. This is just an example of a guy earning a lot of money from this. And as I say, the cool thing about this business model, it's only going to require a little bit of upfront work, making a couple of books, publishing a couple of books. Some of them are going to do well, some of them might not. But those ones that are doing well, you're going to make money over each of every month. So over the months, you're going to make money because people are buying more and more of your books, and it's getting ranked higher to the explore page of the Amazon Kindle store. So the best idea is to make as many books as you can, publish as many books as you can, but make sure they're good quality. As I say, I'm going to show you how to get these books without any of your skills or knowledge or expertise. Publish as many of them as you can, and you will see your figures and the potential in this method. I really see a lot of potential with this. And the nice thing about the Amazon Kindle store already, it automatically generates a lot of traffic for you, as there are millions of people on the store on a weekly or even possibly a daily basis publishing or purchasing books. So the Amazon Kindle store already offers a whole lot of free traffic for you. But what you can do is, if you really want to up your game, you can go into Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, maybe Facebook ads would be really good as well. Facebook groups, there's also a ton of external sources to get a ton of traffic to your specific book. And what you can do is you can get these people to rate your book, rate it 5 stars, get people to leave comments, and get your book essentially ranked much higher in the Amazon algorithm, which will get you a ton of sales on a monthly basis. And you're also not paying any shipping to ship out books. All of this is digital. It's an ebook, it's electronic, it's a PDF or a readable format that you can download anywhere on any device. So there's no shipping, which is also amazing. And you can see that the funds Stefan is making, $5,700, 524 euros, $5,000. Again, this is mostly all profit, as he's not paying any money on publishing the books. He's not paying any money on traffic, as Amazon Kindle is providing him most of his traffic for him. And for those of you who are wondering, how can you actually get involved in this? How can you come up with some good ideas? How can you get a good book published? And the best thing about this is the book doesn't need to be big. It can be between 20 and 30 pages if you like, a short little book, and it will sell. And you can actually, if you've got an awesome idea, if you've got an idea on what you want to write, for example, how to make money online or relationship advice, or it could be anything, then go ahead and you can write your own books. But obviously most people are not going to have that skill in this video. So that is where I'm going to show you what a lot of these people are doing, and what a lot of these publishers are doing is they have ghostwriters. And where you can actually find ghostwriters is actually on Fiverr.com. So if I come over to Fiverr, I'm going to search ghostwriter, and you can see a ton of ghostwriter gigs. So you've got your I Will Be Your Ghostwriter at 78 Rand, which is about $5. You've got I Will Ghostwrite Your Story at 200 Rand, which is about $15. You've got here again, I Will Ghostwrite Your Blog, so 78 Rand, which is about $5 again. So there's a ton of ghostwriters that you can find on Fiverr, and that will write these amazing books for you and will make you a ton of profit on the Amazon Kindle store. And you can see on these various different gigs from a whole bunch of different books that you want to write. So you can see I Will Be Your Ghostwriter for a romantic or erotica fiction. So if you want to create something on romance, you can go through this person. You can see here cooking. If you want to get into cooking, I Will Be a Ghostwriter for your cookbook, which is pretty handy. You can see I will ghostwrite a blog post or SEO article. So if you want to create an article or ebook on SEO, ranking your Google pages, this is the person to contact. If you want to get into cryptocurrencies, you can go here. So I'm just going to use this person, for example. I will be your ebook writer, ghostwriter, and ebook writing at 780 Rand, which is about $40. And you can see they're going to make up to a 30-page ebook, which is a big ebook. That's already more than big enough that you need. And you can actually see if I come over to Stefan's payments again, you can see here his payment of $5,700. You can see $299, $299. So he was obviously selling his ebook at $299, which is a really low price. So what you can do is you can price your ebook like really low, like $299 or $399, to really get people or attract a lot of sales and get a ton of people buying your book simply because it's cheap. Now, as a businessman, I would rather have a lot of more small sales than one or two big sales, because you're going to earn a lot more and a lot more people are going to buy your product. And because your product's really going to be good quality at such a low price, the potential of you making a lot of money is very high. And also for your ebook, remember, you're going to need a very good cover for your ebook. So you can see these people have got covers on their different books that they've published on the Amazon store, and this is exactly what you're going to need. So what you can also do is you can come over to Fiverr and you can type in ebook cover. So you can find professionals that make professional ebook covers, or you can also come over to a website called canva.com. And you can see if I type in ebook on the search bar, you can actually get an ebook, a whole bunch of templates that you can create with a drag and drop template in Canva. So you can see, for example, this maybe look good for a romance. You can edit the text, you can change the text. That's a nice cover for a romance story, and you can download this completely for free and use it as your cover on the Amazon store. So let's say it's going to cost you about $50 to launch your first ebook. All you're going to need is in a month to make your money back is literally $1.50 per day. And I mean, that is basically one sale every 2 days. And I mean, if your book is really good, and a 30-page ebook by this guy is more than big enough to get a lot of sales with more than enough information, the potential of making your money back really quickly is there. And then from there, it's just profit, and it's all automated, as you're just going to get sales over and over again. And some books do even better. Some books make $10, $20, $30, $40, even $50, $100, hundreds of dollars per day. Like Stefan is making $8,000 a month, which is hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a daily basis using this strategy. And this is very similar to that of YouTube. Think about when you're starting out on YouTube, you've got very little videos, so you've got no views, so your ad revenue is very low. But as you upload more and more videos, you're going to get more and more views over time, more and more views every month, more and more revenue. Just like this is going to get more and more sales. But I definitely think that you guys should come over to the kmoneymastery.com website, read a little bit about Stefan James, who's doing this method. You can see his figures, you can watch some of the videos, what people have to say, some students, some testimonials, and there's actually a video of Stefan himself here. There's also basically what you're going to cover in this entire course. And there's also a whole bunch of PDFs, instructions, so it's really spoon feeding you. This website alone has got a ton of value for you. But if you guys enjoyed this video or this method, comment down below what you think of this and if you're going to give it a try. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.